Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a fresh layout of fixes to eliminate agonizing stuttering and that annoying low video memory warning in Forza Horizon 6. These performance drops happen because the game's massive Japan map is overflowing your graphics card cache, forcing your PC to use slow system RAM. To stop this instantly, launch the game, open your graphics menu, and drop the texture quality down one single step, as this immediately slashes video memory usage by over 2 GB. Next, scroll down and completely disable ray tracing. Then turn on DLSS or AMD FSR and set the scaling mode to balanced to take the raw load off your rendering pipeline. Now, open your Windows search bar, type in Graphics Settings, and ensure Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling is switched to the on position, then reboot your computer. Finally, right-click on your desktop, open your NVIDIA or AMD control panel, navigate over to your 3D application settings, locate the shader cache size limit option, and set it to 10 GB. This forces your system to permanently store pre-rendered map assets on your fast solid-state drive, ensuring buttery smooth frame rates without a single micro stutter during your high-speed races. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.